Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Mamata Banerjee's battle cry, Khela Hobe, which means game will happen, was emblematic of the hostility and confrontation that lay in store for West Bengal in 2021 amid a raging pandemic and political turmoil, as a string of bitterly fought elections left the state on edge for the major part of the year. Banerjee, the stormy petrel of West Bengal politics, led her TMC to emphatic victories in all elections despite her personal loss in Nandigram, the scene of an anti-land acquisition movement years ago that had catapulted her power in 2011. A decade after scripting history by defeating the longest-serving democratically elected communist government in the world, Banerjee emerged as the most formidable opposition leader as she stormed back to power for a third straight term, trouncing the BJP in the assembly elections. Flashpoints in Bengal were one too many, as political violence rocked the state and allegations of electoral fraud flew thick and fast. The CBI and a special investigation team of the West Bengal Police are probing the cases of post-assembly poll violence that left scores dead and injured and reduced the houses and other properties to ashes. The BJP, which established itself as a main opposition party after the last Lok Sabha polls, had its top leaders go all out with its rallying cry of Hindutva, only to find that there were not too many takers for its narrative. The TMC invoked Bengali pride to checkmate the Saffron Party and claim 213 seats in the 294-member House, leaving 77 for the BJP and the one each for an independent and an ISF candidate. In the do-or-die assembly election, the left front, which had ruled Bengal with an iron fist for 34 years, ended up empty-handed. The Congress too was pushed to the margins, failing to open its accounts. While Banerjee destroyed any dreams that the BJP had of ruling West Bengal, a defeat in Nandigram against freshly minted BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari, a confident bet Noir, came a huge embarrassment. She, however, emerged victorious from her home turf, Bhawanipur, in the by-poll by a record margin. Fresh from the impressive victory, the feisty TMC boss, who had called BJP leaders from Delhi outsiders during her assembly poll campaign, wasted no time trying to spread her wings beyond Bengal skies, with an eye on her next target, the 2024 general election. The TMC forayed into the Tripura in civic body elections. It gained little in terms of seats but managed to pitch itself firmly as a major opposition party in the BJP-ruled state. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Singh reporting for iScope Media.